Students, welcome to our Narayana live classes. Today our topic 6th class unit 2A, that is 15th dated assignment. Here students once will go through the passage. Besides we have Jatras, the Sammaka and Sarlama Jatra of Medaram. Warangal is one of the biggest gatherings in the world. Once you see here, so by this few lines we can come to know that they have given about the famous places in our passage. Here they have given Sammaka Sarlama of Medaram Jatra. It is Warangal's one of the biggest Jatras, right? And also here they have given some important places also, dears. Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, Yadadri, Vemulavada, Alampur, Srirangapuram and Bhadrachalam are some among them. So here some boys are discussing. Actually here it is a conversation between the characters. Okay, so now here they are whatever the places they have visited, whatever the importance of the place they are discussing, it is mentioned in this passage. Okay ma. So now once you go through the passage, we will discuss the answers. The first question is for you. Where do we find huge collection of antiques? What is the meaning of antiques? Antiques is nothing but a collection of old gatherings that is collected by a single person. So here what is the question? Where do we find huge collection of antiques? Once you see here, Nagarjuna Sagar Museum. In Nagarjuna Sagar Museum we can find so many antiques and so many old fossils also there in this place. Whenever you go to Nagarjuna Sagar, once you visit it, and it is very beautiful place. Okay ma. Next question. What is the speciality of Salarjung Museum? Salarjung Museum is very famous all over the world because it is the collection of a single person. All the antiques were there in this place, and it is the origin of Hyderabad, and it is very famous and very popular also. And if you go to that place, if you go to visit Salarjung Museum, by 12 o'clock you can see the magical clock. A short man will come and he will ring the bell. So that is very so many people, some thousands of people eagerly wait for that time. Okay, now here what is the speciality? It is one of the 3 national museums which has antiques and portraits collected by a single person. What is the speciality of this Salarjung Museum? You see, this is one of the 3 national museums. One of them is here in our country. 3 museums are there, very great museums are there. It is one of them. See this, so students, whenever we use one of the, this noun form should be in the plural form. That is most important. Whenever we use one of the, this noun form should be in the plural, because we are taking from so many things. We are opting, we are choosing only one thing from the many things. So that's why here one of the, whenever we mention museum, this noun should be in the plural. So now this speciality of this Salarjung Museum is which has antiques and portraits. Antiques means here old fossils, and portraits is nothing but the pictures of this Mir Usman Khan, Ali and some other Muslim emperors, kings, that all the things. It was collected by a single person. That is the most important and the speciality of this Salarjung Museum. Next question is, who are the jewels of our state? Jewels means here very popular persons, personalities. Malliganti Suri, Kaloji Narayan Rao, Dasharathi Rangacharyalu and Dasharathi Krishnamacharyalu are the jewels of our state. See the question ma? Who are jewels of our state? The question is in the present tense. Answer also should be in the present tense. Malliganti Suri, Kaloji Narayan Rao, Dasharathi Rangacharyalu and Dasharathi Krishnamacharyalu are the jewels of our state. So here question is in the present tense, answer also in the present tense, that you have to keep in our mind. Next question is, why did the Oggu Kada became popular? The question is in the past tense. Why did the Oggu Kada? Oggu Kada means, what is the Oggu Kada actually? What we will discuss now. Oggu Kada is a very popular folklore, singing, praising and narrating the stories of Mallanna, Birappa and Yellamma. So now here, what is the speciality of Oggu Kada? Oggu Kada is still existing. The question is in the past tense. But here we have to discuss this in the present tense, because this Oggu Kada is still existing in our Telangana state. Okay, so that's why here Ogukada is a very popular folklore. Folklore is nothing but folk songs, singing the folk songs, praising and narrating the stories of Mallanna, Veerappa and Yellamma. So you know this, who is this Mallanna, Veerappa and Yellamma. So these are all the gods and goddess. Now they will sing the songs of these people in the form of a song. The narrator and the chorus, two narrators dramatize and transform themselves into the characters. Now here some 2 or 3 characters will be there. They will dramatize themselves as the characters, main characters, and they will show the complete drama through the songs. That is called as Ukukada, and they transform themselves into the characters. They think that they completely involved in that characters, and they will discuss the total theme of the drama. Hence it became popular. So that is the reason it became very popular in our Telangana state. Next, 5th question. What is the origin Perini Shivatandavam? When and how was it performed? What is the speciality of Perini Shivatandavam? That is one of our dance forms of Telangana. Here, Perini Shivatandavam is the dance form originated in Telangana. During the dynasty of the Kakatiyas, the soldiers performed this dance as the invocation and dedicated it to Lord Shiva. In our Kakatiya dynasty, in our country, especially in our state, Telangana state, this Perini Shivatandavam is very, very famous, and it is originated in Telangana. It is from Telangana only. Now, from where it has opted during the dynasty of the Kakatiyas, Kakatiya dynasty, we know that the soldiers used to perform this dance, invocation, and dedicated it to Lord Shiva. On the name of this Lord Shiva, they used to play this dance form. Okay, ma. So this is about Perini Shivatandavam. Now come to this duas directed. Second bit is, that is, read the following passage and write as directed. So that is called as duas directed. Which here they underline one word and they will ask something, antonym, synonym, right form of the word, and correct form of the word they will ask. So first question is, our saris are famous worldwide, said Lakshmi. Famous is underlined, write the antonym of underlined word. Antonym is nothing but opposite. So famous opposite is unknown. Okay. Next, Gadwal and Narayanpet is very popular for their attractive patterns. Our weavers of Sirsila production saris that fit in matchbox. So here this is popular, patterns, production, these are the underlined words. So next one, 7th one is underlined is. So here we are discussing about Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet. So whenever we are discussing some plural forms, R should be there. So here is underlined. They are asking us write the right one. Right form of the word is R. Next, popular. Popular is a underlined word. Write the synonym. Synonym is here giving the same meaning. That is accepted or admired. Okay, that is a synonym of this word popular. Next, patterns. For their attractive patterns. Patterns, singular form. Pattern, patterns. That is singular form. Next, last one, weavers of Sirisila production saris. Production saris is production is the underlined word. Write the right form of the word. Right form is produce. The Sirisila produce saris that fit in a matchbox. So these saris used to fit in a matchbox. Matchbox will be very small. So that much tender, that much very soft saris they used to produce in those days. Okay, this is about duas directed. Now come to this editing passage. Editing is very important from class 6th to 10th class. The same rules will be there. Whenever editing will be there, we have to keep in we have to concentrate on few things. That is, first tense formation. Okay, next parts of speech, articles, prepositions, and some main tenses are there. That is we will discuss later. So we have to concentrate mostly on this tense formation first of all. So here the passage is, Muharram is celebrating in many parts of our state. Here Muharram is celebrating. So now this is not a very regularly celebrating festival. So that's why here celebrating festival is wrong. So Muharram is celebrated. Means here it will be celebrated yearly once. in many parts of our state, especially in Telangana. It is very popular. Okay, so the editing part, wherever we edit the part, wherever we write the correct one, then we have to underline the corrected part. Then it will be very easy to find where you have done it. Next one, 12th one. It is the symbol of religion tolerance. Religion. It is the symbol of religious tolerance. Means here all, not only Muslims, Hindus and some other religions also will participate in this Pirlu, especially this Jatara. This is also a Jatara, that is Pirlu. Pirlu means here for long sticks they will decorate with some this brocades and this some beautiful cloths and some ornaments, and they will go through that village from home to home. They will do that Jatara, that is religious tolerance. Next one, during this the Pirlu are kept in village point. So during this the Pirlu are kept in the village points. Point is given, points means here in different parts of the in different places of the village this Pirlu will be kept. Next one, the Pirlu are immersed into the local lakes and tanks. The Pirlu are immersed into is given, into is wrong, in the lakes, in the local tanks and lakes. Into, why we should not use into? Into is different and in is different. Into means here completely submerging in that. In means here somewhere in that place. So here somewhere in the lake or tanks they will immerse that. Into means here deep depth of this tank and lake. So they will not go very depth of this tanks and lakes. They will somewhere, suppose if it is a circular or rectangular shape, they will be standing somewhere and they will immerse that Pirlu. So that's why here in is correct, not into. Okay, next 15th one, they reflected in our lifestyle, said Hari. Okay, they reflected, simply reflected. They are, because we are discussing about the Pirlu, that is in the present tense. So that's why here are is missing. Missing words also we have to concentrate in editing passage. They are reflected in our lifestyle, said Hari. Means here they are reflecting the lifestyle of our Telangana people, especially the Muslims. This also shows some religious festival and some story behind this Pirlu. So this is totally they had given about that Muslim festival. So it is celebrated not only Muslims but also Hindus. We will celebrate that. Okay, thank you.